also, you know, Member Mark? Member Mark? You know Member Mark? Are in the meat of the, don't drink the water in Mexico because they're going to make you sick. No, there's no such a thing. There's the bacteria everywhere on the air. Sometimes our system, you don't take, or maybe if I go, honestly, that's not because our system, they're used to the food back home. All the time. You go somewhere, but if you're not used to spicy, you're not used to too much peppercorn, too much salt, too much this and that and that, our system trying to work out.
Oh, man.
So sometimes it's how you get sick. So the water, nothing wrong with the water. Now, Montezuma, the Spain people coming to Nueva America, and he say, let's start bringing, and take him all the silver, gold, water, food, vegetables, fruits. So, the Indian, the Mexicans, the Mayas, the Aztec, all. Okay, that's what we're gonna make you salsa. Very spicy. You like spicy? Spicy? No, you don't like spicy?
Oh, spicy.
Yeah? Alright, I got a surprise for the people that like it spicy. Yeah. Amigos, all these people over here, they're from the ship. Maybe for this one, for us.
How did they get back here?
Huh?
Did they take another van back here?
Right there. Man, right there. We are pet friendly. So you're gonna see a lot of dogs. If you like one, take it. Ask him, we speak English?
Good driver.
Yeah, good driver. I think she don't want to know. Amigos, around this area, we got a lot of, like a banana plant. We got some guava tree, guava, papaya, and
Path to the retreat, to the resort.
Okay, amigos, over here on the left, we got some papaya trees.
That's the left.
There, look, papaya.